Welcome or welcome back to Jen's Hangouts. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jen. Please hit that like and subscribe button and hang out with us because we have a lot of fun. Anyway, today is Temu Haul Part 2. If you guys watched my last one, you guys know my sugar crashed in the middle of our unboxing. So I'm gonna do this one in 3 parts actually, because I have all the clothes separated out. Now I have a few more items I'm gonna show you, and then I will start a whole new video for phase 3. Okay, so in the last one I wondered what in the heck, and I'll have the first one linked up here so you can click on it. Anyway, I wondered what was this, what was this. I can talk. Not really. Words are hard. But this is what it is. It is a canvas of my favorite painting, so I'll have to get a frame for it, in the whole world. Starry Night by Van Gogh, and it is Van Gogh, not Van Gogh. Anyway, so there it is. But yes, so I'll have to get a frame for this so that I can hang it up on the wall, because yeah, we love that. Anyway, this canvas was $2.48, so pretty daggone cheap for Van Gogh painting, even if it is a print. But it is on canvas. Like, this is real canvas. So, sweet. Now I just have to, maybe I have some boards outside I could just stretch it. That would be cool. So I'm going to set this aside. And next is this lovely pan. You're like, what in the heck is that? I do not understand. It is to put your lids on. Excuse me. I'm trying to find it. There it is. Okay, so it will hold your lid, right? And your spoons, because it has little ridges, but it will hold your lids and your spoons while you're cooking, and then it won't drip everywhere. Fabulous. So I can just stick it in the middle of my stove and Bob is your uncle. Okay. Bob actually is my uncle. My brother-in-law, my father-in-law, and my cousin. Bob is a popular name. Okay, what is this? I hate being in that in-between bifocal stage. It does not say what it is. What is this? Oh, I ordered a cream. This is the French snail hyaluronic acid snail cream. And she's all bundled up. So, oh cool, they even put an expiration date on it. But anyway, so I got this. I think this was like $5. I want to say. No, not even $5. $3.50. $3.48 to be exact. But yeah, so that's what this is. I figured it'd make a nice eye cream. Anyway. And then this, I don't know what this is either, because they put them in packages that are all covered up, and I'm like, what is this? It says 2 pieces. Oh, I wonder if these are the toilet bowl lifters. I thought these were the cutest things, and who doesn't hate lifting up the toilet bowl seat? You're like, ew, that's so gross, right? Well, now you have. If I can get them out of here. And then they're packaged in this package. So much plastic packaging. Temu, less plastic, please. Okay. Because this is like single-use plastic, can't recycle. So, okay. So here it is, and it comes with the little, oh, I am all thumbs today, all thumbs. Anyway, so it's got the foamy sticky pad, right? So you stick it here, and then to your lid, and then this sticks out, and you just lift. Just lift. And I got 2. It comes in a package of 2. I got 2. My husband will be thrilled. He hates it. So that is that. I found my other mat for the refrigerator. So that'll be good. And then I got this huge bag. I haven't gotten any of the bags yet, but I'm doing physical therapy and all that stuff now. So I wanted to, and I know they're going to put me in the pool. I know they will. They do all the time, every time. So I wanted a nice bag, a nice little duffel bag that I could use for overnight stuff or for physical therapy. And it's got, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the sneaker part. It's got, you know, the thing to open and put your sneakers in, or your flip-flops from the pool when they're wet. And then it's got a side pocket here. There we go. Okay. It's got a side pocket that's plastic lined, so you can put wet stuff in it. That's fabulous. Like, it's, see, that's awesome sauce. So, you know, wetsuit from the pool for water therapy. It has an inside pocket, and you can get this in different sizes, if I remember correctly. Yeah, you could stick your phone or your keys in there, or both. And then it has tons of room inside. Shoulder strap, which we love, and then it's cloth on the outside. And it comes in a gazillion different colors. Not a gazillion, but several. So I thought this would be perfect for an overnight bag, or, like I said, for physical therapy. So that is the haul so far for part 2. Let me know what you guys think. This one's way shorter. I'm sorry the last one took so stinking long. I mean, come on. Okay, so let me give you a rundown on some Poisey Weises. Without the big schmear in the middle of my glasses would be wonderful, right? Oh, I think next week we go to the eye doctor, so that'll be nice. Can order some new glasses. Okie dokie. I'm at the bottom. Oh, isn't life fabulous? Okay, so I told you the pot holder and pot and spoon holder was $2, $1.99. And then, did I tell you how much the backsplashy thing was in the last video? It is 48 cents. I mean, just screaming cheap. And the yellow one was the 58 cents. You can only get one, otherwise I would have gotten more. That is in a separate order. That is in a separate order. Okay, that bag, that mint green bag, was $12.07. And that's the large size. You can get them in multiple sizes, like I said. These cute little toilet seat lifters, are $1.98 for 2. What else? On my picture was $2.48, and you could get it in multiple sizes, but I just got it in that size because I didn't want to have a huge one. Okay, so that is it for part 2. We will go into part 3 for next week, because I'm going to post this on Thursday. So you'll have a Temu Tuesday and a Temu Thursday, because why not? And then pen. And then. Anyway, wow. A lot of ADHD is kicking in hard today. Anyway. And then I am going to do a part 3, which will be on Temu Tuesday with all of the clothing items that are in here. Because believe me, there's a lot. That was the main purpose of the big haul, was because having, let me just say this, having heart surgery is the most advantageous, no, it makes you fat. I'll just put it that way. And that is the number one side effect of heart surgery, bypass surgery, any kind of open heart surgery. The number one side effect is weight gain. Well, let me tell you. They blame it on water. Okay, well, if this body is full of water, I would like to be squeezed, please. Please come and juice me like they did Violet in Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Please, because, oh my God, I can't breathe. I can't move. I can't bend over. It's horrible. But they have me on a bunch of medications, which is part of the problem. But they have me on a bunch of counteractive medications, which is annoying. Here, take this medicine to counteract what the other medicine's doing. Stupid. Anyway. But needless to say, it has caused me to gain, I had already gained 50 pounds from being put on insulin. So, like, if you go back and watch my videos, you'll see the progression of what's been going on. And then they put me on all these medications, and had me do heart surgery, and I gained another 50 pounds. That's 100 flipping pounds. So I have no clothes to wear. We went through my closet and put everything in storage because I have another upcoming surgery that is going to help. Hopefully, cross our fingers, hope and pray. Good vibes. But I have no clothes left. I have no summer clothes left. So we had to do something. I had to buy some clothes, which I hate because I have a beautiful wardrobe. I've worked very hard to get pieces of clothes that I can treasure for years, that will last for a long time, because I'm not hard on clothes. So, you know, I can buy like this fast fashion stuff, or what's considered fast fashion. Say that 10 times fast. Anyway, and it will last me a long time because I'm not hard on my clothes. But when you can't wear your clothes, you got to buy some clothes because you can't walk around naked. So, and I'm not going to wear leggings in 110 degree weather. I refuse. So we had to buy some clothes for me. And so that's going to be our next video. But anyway, that's kind of the long and short of what has been going on. But anyway, blessings to all. I love you so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.